guys, this is King Gold here, KG Cleaning Service. Just want to do a quick video here for everybody. I'm here with one of our great team members and part of our KG family that highly respect. Gage is filming here for me. I want to kind of just explain through the whole, I guess you could call it a pandemic with COVID-19 and what we have done over the past year to make sure we're doing precautions, to make sure your family's safe and your home is safe when we're coming in and out, to make sure, I guess, that you feel peace of mind when we're there, to avoid cross-contamination and other things that we do as well. So I guess one thing we do is every home we go to, we wear a mask. This is one I like to wear myself, a Rotary mask. Very proud member of Rotary Dawson County. And when we walk into a home, we also, before we even get there, we wear Booties. So we put those on before we get to your home, walk in the door, and just a nice greeting and just, you know, a nice way to say, hey, you know, we're trying to take care of your home. We put corner guards up on your walls to protect the hoses from scratching, and we really try to think when all this hit us, and like any other small business, what we could do to be proactive and, you know, make a difference. So one thing we also do is we clean our hoses after every job with microbial disinfectant. We wipe them down as we're rolling them up, and we have a hose cleaner for our vacuum hose, so there's no cross-contamination from this customer's home to the next customer's home, because every house can be a lot dirtier than the others and some can be cleaner. So Gage, if you want to follow me here, I'll kind of show everybody what we do here with that. I'm trying to hop on here. It may be a little loud here. We're going to walk right there. So to avoid the cross-contamination, we clean our hoses before we get to the next home after we do a job. So the hose goes through here. It's a very awesome tool that we have. And then you plug it in here, and we're going to turn a solution on that's at a high pressure. So if Gage, you want to show the hose, this is just a little video of what we're doing. Obviously, all the hose we're using, we would actually clean it even further, but just for the video sake, we're showing what we're doing here. So you see, this is actually cleaning the hose inside the hose line and outside. And you feel it's moisture and it's wet too, so it's getting it nice and clean with our cleaning solution, which I'll explain more about that as well. So we're running the hose through here, getting everything nice and clean so there's no cross-contamination when we go from one home to another, so your home is safe and healthy. And again, this is just for video purposes, but you know, we kind of run it all through here, cleaning the hoses. That way, whenever we come to your home, it's like coming into a brand new home with hoses. See all the cleaning agents that are on the hose right now. Okay, so then after that, we're going to shut it off, our cleaning agent. And I want to show you guys what we use. You want to stay right there again? So I myself have a 6 and an 8-year-old. Obviously y'all know Landon. He's one of our technicians as well. He's worked with us since he was 2 years old. He's been to many of y'all's homes. He's a very hard-working boy, and we believe in raising our kids right and teaching them hard work ethic as well. But we're very careful about what we put in your home. We use no residue left behind, and you know, I wouldn't want it to be like my home as far as safe cleaning agents for your kids and pets. So this is a product that we use called Strong Carpet Cleaning. It's soap-free, odor-free. Now we do have some deodorizer that we would use for like pet treatments, things like that. But as far as the soap-free part, and it's safe for kids and pets, we don't buy cheap products. One reason we're not the cheapest, but we're also not the most expensive, but you know, we believe in buying a good product, and this is very expensive stuff. It works great. It's certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute. So, you know, and like I said, it's all green, natural, safe for kids and pets, and it really gets everything out. I mean, this is amazing pre-spray. If you look at some of our pictures, before and afters, it's due to our hard-working technicians like Gage and myself, our experience, and just the products that we use. And as you see, we go all out with making sure that the hoods are clean and there's no cross-contamination. And when we're pulling our solution hose, we wipe it down with a microbial disinfectant, wearing booties, wearing masks, we go out to make sure that you're all safe and we're safe as well. We thank y'all, we're praying for our nation, and hope this year is a brighter year. Looking forward to spring and